watch me not be in frame after that. Good to go?
We're good.
Do you want to roll it?
If not.
Hey guys, welcome to another 0 to 60. Today we're playing with a Saab.
Yes, this is my girlfriend's car, which she was lucky enough to have somebody reverse into her recently. It could have been worse, to be fair, but the grille was punctured and also it did break the headlight lens. The grille was nice, easy to pop back in, but today we do have a new headlight and thought we'd make a video of actually how to replace these headlights.
Now, the reason we thought we'd make this video is neither of us have really worked on Saabs before, so this could go nice and smoothly or it could be an absolute catastrophe. Either way, it might make an interesting video. I'm going to play cameraman since this is your girlfriend's car and I don't know what I'm doing with these. Have you got a plan?
Yeah, it shouldn't be too bad. These things seem to blow headlight bulbs a lot, so I've been into the headlights a lot already. To actually replace the headlight, there are three mounting points, 2 on the top and this one down here, which does mean you have to pull the front bar off. But pulling these front bars off, it's pretty similar to most European cars, just like Aaron's
335. 325.
Yeah, 325 that we did the other day. So basically, pull the clips off the top, bolts down the side, a couple of the bolts down the bottom, and it should just pop off, and that should expose the bolts to the headlight.
Let's get into it. But it is now.
Cool, so these little poppers on the top of the bar should be a matter of pulling up the section in the middle, which releases the pressure from inside, and then it just falls out.
I like how you've already removed these ones from the middle. That was quick. You did that off camera without anyone even noticing.
It's a Saab. It's got the key in the middle. It's weight saving.
We're not sure. I don't think you've had this bar off, have you? But I think it might have had a nudge before this as well.
Yeah, I think so.
Some of the things aren't connected on the bottom of the bumper bar, but that should make it easier and quicker to get off.
Exactly. They were probably just, planning ahead, planning for when we've got a call. So you can see straight away the top is loose. And typically they are 8 or 10 mil on the side.
Do we need to jack it up?
No, I think it'll be okay. Oh, I might need to turn the wheels.
It's my job, I'll do that.
Is that enough? Perfect.
Just taking those off.
Yeah, so there's 4 bolts. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 3 bolts.
Is there supposed to be 4?
I don't think so.
Is this going to be the gift that keeps on giving and is just continually missing all the bolts so we don't have to take them out? For those that haven't seen it, we actually did an episode on this, nearly 2 years ago, wasn't it?
Yeah, time goes quick.
It's been a pretty good car for her.
They are. They got not a great name here in Australia, but to be fair, it's not bad. I drive it often even.
It goes all right, doesn't it? It's not slow.
No, it goes good enough. Great AC.
There are a few comments on that video, die-hard Saab enthusiasts, and I'm not even taking the mickey. They were like properly into it. And we've learnt a lot more about them since you've had it, and it's definitely got a good following, but they did want a review of it.
I remember that actually, yeah.
And I think...
yeah, you can probably do that now. Spend a bit more time in it.
If you can prize it away from your other half for a day, maybe. Living with a Saab 9.5. Was it 9.3?
9.3, this one. It's the baby.
Is this got... It's the 2-litre turbo, auto.
Yeah, sports auto.
Hang on. The whole bar just moved like it was about to come off then.
Yeah, there's not much left. Oh, this one's got a screw in it down the bottom. It looks like a...
Do you want a fatty?
It's pretty dark, a Phillips.
Phillips fatty or a normal one? Actually, I'll get both.
Okay, yeah, it looks like it's definitely been off. Actually, I'll go, yeah, it's definitely been off. Stubby. It's been off before, and they've just put a tech screw through the splash plate into the mount.
This definitely isn't a DIY video, guys. It's a can Andrew and David fix a car video.
Where there's a will, there is a way.
Oh, okay, it just sort of fell off.
To be clicked on over here. So, oh, there we go. Now, okay, so fog lights are plugged in, but that's actually as far as you need it to come off.
So that's enough clearance to get to the bottom mount.
That's it.
Sweet. That was much less painful than a BMW front bar. Mind you, like we said, there's a couple of bolts missing. You haven't actually had any mechanical problems with this, have you? It's slow to start, but that's about it.
Yeah, nothing break, just maintenance stuff. Like you said, there's that starting issue, which is a bit of a bummer, but actually doesn't cause any issues. It just takes a while to kick over first thing in the morning. Yeah.
I wonder if that's fuel pressure reg or something. It's like it loses fuel pressure. It's going to build fuel pressure up.
Yeah, if you start the car up, if it's only sat stationary for an hour, it fires straight back up. But yeah, if it sits there for 8 hours, yeah, it's like it takes a while to build pressure. Okay, so that's those 3 bolts out.
A friend of ours in Brizzy, shout out Mitch, if you are watching this, he's actually just bought a Saab turbo, and he was saying how you can map them with some open source software. And I think, Dave, if you can convince your girlfriend
it's a must
to not want to have a reliable vehicle anymore, we should definitely wind the boost up and see what we can do with this.
It's tempting. Like you said, Mitch was well, even all the comments on the 0 to 60 of this car, people are doing some cool stuff with them.
Yeah, it's like most standard turbos from sort of 10 odd years ago. They are definitely untapped potential.
Not gonna lie.
So is this the first hurdle, the unexpected? This clip isn't like a BMW clip?
It doesn't seem to have a tang that you can push anywhere. It's just got a red end.
Speaking of red, no, I'm not going to say.
I don't want to just pull it, but I'm getting tempted to
like
just pull it.
Flat screwdriver and push that red bit that way, I reckon.
Really? It doesn't seem to budge. Where's my flatty gone?
We are thinking about opening 0 to 60 automotive workshop, where you can pay us to learn how to work on your cars. Hourly rate will be normal hourly rates, so it'll be very expensive, but it's an option. If you're interested, make a comment below.
Get in touch. Then it comes out.
I do.
Ta-da!
That does vague. I remember that on like a VP headlight or something. They were a bit similar. So that's the cracked headlight out. You got to swap the bulbs over?
No, the other one's got bulbs. So that's the damage there.
Actually, what we didn't show before as well, we've actually already replaced this grille because that literally just pops in and the old one was completely smashed out. But yeah, when they backed into it, the tow bar sort of went through here, punctured the grille, and it's cracked that one, but it's no show car. That'll be fine. But that one's been replaced already. And obviously we've got this panel damage here, which is a bit shitty, but anyway. So really it's just been the bolts on the edge of the bar, the clips on the top. It should have bolts on the bottom, but they'd already been removed. So, and the new one is going in.
What I might do, just before bolting everything in, particularly the bulbs, do you want to power up and just make sure these bulbs do work?
Yeah, absolutely.
They're a bit of a pain to change without when they're in the car.
Did you that's that. Did they work?
Yeah, you got high beam?
How do you do high beam on a Saab?
Yep. Sweet, and indicator? Perfecto. Sweet.
It says coolant level low. Is that normal?
Oh no, that's
a new thing?
just the checking for the sensor.
Might add some coolant for her while it's here.
Needs a detail actually. It's really dirty.
Something in the way, or?
It just doesn't sit on the bottom mount super tight. I think it'll pull in when I bolt in. I just don't want to force it. But there's nothing behind there. That must be it. Yeah, she's pretty solid actually. Lines up with the guard okay.
There's a good chance this car's not straight. Good to go.
Cool. So
That's lined in. Got the guard adjustment done.
yeah, she lines up, but again, I won't just go ham on all the bolts straight up. Sort of get them all in place with tension.
I was about to say it's easier than doing a BMW headlight. And it is easier than an E90, E92 3 Series, but it's not easier than the E60 headlights. They're super quick to take out.
No front bar removal. Makes a difference. It makes a difference.
Yeah, these aren't just the 3 bolts to hold them in. This has been pretty painless for first time DIY stuff.
Just gonna do them finger tight for now, just in case I need any adjustment to line up with the bar perfectly. It should pivot on this one okay.
Yeah, you could probably do the bottom one up tight. Mind you, not that anything lines up on this car anyway.
Yeah, but do what we can.
Sweet. So is the bar ready to go back on?
I believe so. Where are we? 1, 2, 3. Sweet.
I'm gonna help.
Cool.
By help, I mean I'll just touch this part once you've put it on.
Yeah, sweet. Just pop. You can pop that thing back on whenever you're ready.
I think that's done, that's good. Just take it for a test drive. Oh, does it line up? Yeah, she looks fine.
I guess that'll have to do. So, pop this one back in.
Did you want to add, nah, I was gonna say add more clips because I think we do have spare.
Have we?
Yeah.
Just more universal ones?
Yeah, I bought a load when I got my 335 because it was missing a few clips.
Oh yeah.
And they're cheap. They're cheap. But then again, I don't think it's going to make any difference. Less clips mean that it'll probably just be easier to take apart next time you need to.
Next time it's crashed into.
So you just got those clips there, those clips, same clips or bolts on the other side.
Yep.
Are they 8s or 10s?
8s.
Cool, all right. I'm gonna let Dave finish bolting them up and then we'll have a summary in a second of how much fun this really was. So that's them tightened, everything's lined up as good as it's gonna be lined up.
That's it, and it all works. There's no cracks in the lens. I'd say that's a bit of a win. It wasn't too hard either. Admittedly, there were a few clips missing from the front bar, but most of the stuff that's supposed to be there was there. It would have just been a matter of taking off more of the same bolts. So it's not too complicated. It's easy enough to do. If any of you guys are watching this video that watched the 0 to 60 on this car, and you would still like to see living with a Saab 9.3, then comment below and we'll find some time and we'll make it happen.
I'll comment because I want to see it happen. We need to do more Saab videos. We need to do more videos. Look, thanks everyone for watching.
And we'll see you in the next one.
Peace.